Welcome back to another episode of Styled by Zulily, where we show you how to work your wardrobe. I'm Jennifer, and today we're talking fall layers. When the temperatures drop, step up your styling game with cozy combos tailored for your body type. Flatter any silhouette by layering a cropped jacket over an untucked tunic. Finish the look with high-waisted leggings for chic vibes. Complement petite proportions with a trendy animal print top, a crop sleeve sweater, and jeans to embrace those chilly days with total fierceness. Combine dark denim, dazzling jewelry, and our famous snap cardigan for a look that radiates classy, cool confidence. Stylish layering takes practice, so remember to just have fun. Keep combining different pieces to create outfits that are sure to be Instagram gold. Thanks for watching. Remember to share with us your outfits with #StyledByZulily and stay tuned for more stylish tips.